How to get Bitget Private Key. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now basically, once inside your device, you can just go ahead and open up the Bitget application right here. Once inside Bitget application, you want to go ahead and log in your account. Now, due to security reasons, I am not going to go ahead and show you my private key on Bitget. But all you have to do is to go ahead and navigate through the icon right here at the top left corner of your screen, which is this one. It will then go ahead and head you to this menu right here. Once inside, you can then go ahead and see your logo or your profile icon at the welcome button right here, or the welcome message. From there, you can just go ahead and click on your name and the private key will be displayed on your screen right here. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.